It is very important to check regularly if your passwords have been stolen by cyber criminals, as this can help you to protect your online accounts and personal information. Securing your accounts can be hard, especially when you're a non-tech savvy, so we found 5 easy steps to help you and that you can follow to check if one of your passwords has been compromised. Have I been pwned? Have I been pwned is a popular website created by Troy Hunt, an Australian web security consultant. That checks if your email address has been found in any data breach in which of your personal information, like your password, phone number, IP address, have been stolen. The website also allows you to enter your email address to get notified when a data breach that contains such information occurs. Use a password manager. Nowadays many password managers have a feature that alerts you if a password you are using has been compromised. This can help you stay informed about the security of your passwords. This type of software can also help you store your passwords in a secure way so that you won't have to remember all of them. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by requiring you to enter a code sent to your smartphone, email address or phone number in addition to your password. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts, even if they have your password. Be cautious of phishing attacks. Hackers often use phishing attacks to trick people into entering their login credentials on fake websites. Be sure to only enter your login and bank information on legitimate and trustworthy websites and be cautious of links, emails or messages that ask for your personal information. Using different passwords. All cybersecurity experts recommend using different passwords for each account, but many people still use the same password every time they're signing up to a new website. This bad habit makes the job easier for hackers, as they can log into different websites with the already compromised password. By following these easy steps, you can better protect yourself from hackers.